friends, in this quick tutorial I'm gonna be walking through how to join official Blox Fruits Discord server. But before getting started this video, make sure to subscribe. How to admin it. So first of all, open a server and search here Blox Fruits Discord server invite link, and open this first link and now click on join server. Join now. And click on accept invite and click on continue to Discord. And you are in. So here we can see I have successfully joined the Blox Fruits Discord server. If you have any questions, feel free to post in description. If you think to see more WordPress videos, please check the links in descriptions. If this video helped you, give a thumbs up and please consider subscribe. How to admin it. Thank you for watching.